I'm your host, Alex. I would like to thank the band for starting the program off today. Today's top stories are frog dissection, the Rubik's Cube, and much more. First of all, we have Tyler with the frog dissections.
Miss May's 7th grade class just completed dissecting frogs. We did this project so that we could compare and contrast the interior of the human body and a frog's body, and so we could identify the major organs. I know that everyone had a ton of fun. I'm Tyler reporting for WLMS News.
Wonderful story, Tyler. Next up, we have Allie and Silas on the story of the Rubik's Cube.
Here at LMS, we think that our students are spectacular, and one of them that comes to mind is Silas. He claims that he can do the Rubik's Cube in under a minute, so let's test it. Alright, so I'm going to mix this up and we'll see if he can really do it that quick. Okay, here you go. Yeah.
Great job, Silas and Allie. Next up, we have Bobby with the story on the seismic safe structure project.
In Mrs. Scout's 8th grade science class, we just completed a project about seismic safe structures, in which is another word for earthquake-proof buildings. We studied the building materials that can endure destructive waves and decided the best materials for this type of construction. We then built the structure that we had designed. I'm Bobby reporting for WLMS News.
Amazing story, Bobby. Now we have Tori with the story on the Lady Patriots basketball.
On Tuesday, November 1st, 2011, our Lebanon Middle School Lady Patriots had a basketball game against Bardstown. This game was important considering that it was the championship of the district tourney. Lady Patriots pulled it off with a score of 46-14 and with a first place trophy. Great work, ladies. I'm Tori reporting for WLMS News.
Excellent story, Tori. Also, students, don't forget about the dance at Parish Hall at 7 o'clock. The fee is $5. There is also going to be a coffee break for the parents at 10 o'clock. We will end the program with the Lebanon Middle School chorus. Thanks for watching.
I see trees of green.